We're at the beach. Oh, the sand is so hard to walk in. Oh my god. Yeah, but Janani hasn't been here in how many years?
This is my first time.
Oh yeah, so yeah, in a long time. So I'm just laying here getting a nice tan for now, and then I'm gonna join Nani over there by the water. She's really acting very childish right now, but it's kind of funny to watch. Just got back from playing in the water for about an hour or so. It was a lot of fun. It went from deep to high again, and then it's kind of weird. Yeah, so we're gonna leave around like 2-3 o'clock. So, and like my hair. Out to eat now, so we're leaving the beach. It was fun, relaxing. So we're here at a diner with Janani. And yeah, we're gonna order food. So I'm excited. After we ate, Janani and I went around shopping a little bit in our town, and yeah, we bought a lot of stuff. Do you guys like watching other people make food? Because I love watching other people make food, especially for me. The guy was actually really nice. You see those red like pancake like things in front of the glass? Well, he was really nice enough to give us some to try, and it had like an ice cream cone kind of texture, and you know it would taste good with ice cream or anything kind of cold, and it was just awesome. This is really good. Right, Nani? Mm-hmm. This is really good. First time approved. So, we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!